The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is a traveling masterpiece that redefines luxury, performance, and beauty. It immediately conveys the premium image for which Mercedes-Benz is known thanks to its futuristic, aerodynamic, and streamlined design lines, which were probably lifted from the most recent Sprinter. Its streamlined body and vast panoramic windows provide an unmatched internal visual experience, while its unique front fascia with its enormous grille and multifunctional LED lighting gives it a dominating appearance. The RV is powered by a powerful and efficient 2.0-liter four-cylinder diesel engine, OM654. Its seamless 9G Tronic automatic gearbox ensures a quick and comfortable ride in a variety of driving conditions. A range of power levels would most likely be offered, including 190 PS, 140 kilowatts, for increased performance, or 170 PS, 125 kilowatts, with 400 Newton-meters of torque. Rear-wheel drive, RWD, or all-wheel drive, AWD, are options for more versatility. The driver's cabin is aesthetically pleasing and well-designed from the moment you step inside. The dashboard of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is expected to include a large and completely integrated MBUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience, display. An alternative is to combine two sizable digital screens into one unit, with one serving as the entertainment and control center and the other as the instrument cluster. With simple voice or touch instructions, the driver will have immediate access to a variety of car and motorhome features. This space will feel luxurious and in keeping with the Mercedes-Benz brand thanks to the combination of premium leather, metal, and wood. From the moment we enter, the inside of this RV strikes the ideal mix between practicality and flair. A large and cozy room for unwinding or mingling is created by the living area's ingenious flexible construction, which may include an electric slide-out feature that might expand the space when halted. Luxurious leather couches and chairs provide the highest level of comfort, while ambient lighting that can be controlled with LEDs makes the space seem cozy and welcoming. While preserving privacy, large windows with motorized covers offer stunning views of the outside world. The bedroom space is intended to be a peaceful haven. A queen or king-sized bed with plush sheets and a high-quality mattress is what you would anticipate. Having a large built-in closet with drawers and hanging space can help you stay organized. Every night will feel like a five-star hotel stay thanks to concealed flat-screen TV, USB charging connections, and individual lighting. This RV's bathroom is a personal haven. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome will include a large washroom with high-end amenities, in contrast to traditional RVs. A contemporary porcelain toilet, a stunning sink with high-quality granite, and a separate glass shower with powerful water pressure are all included. This space will be more livable and useful with features like LED-lit mirrors, intelligent storage cabinets, and effective ventilation. The kitchen, designed to satisfy the demands of the gourmet, is the focal point of this opulent RV. It has top-notch appliances such as a microwave, convection oven, freezer, refrigerator, induction cooktop, and maybe a small dishwasher. High-quality materials, such as quartz countertops, look elegant and are simple to maintain. Thanks to ergonomically constructed cabinets that provide ample room for storing materials and equipment, you can cook delectable meals wherever you go.